Alright, today I'm working on a 4-cylinder Wisconsin engine. It's in my skid steer, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be pulling off the exhaust manifold along with the intake manifold to replace the gaskets. I've already cut the exhaust here. I think that's probably why they went bad. I'm not sure, but there was a lot of tension there. That should have been a piece of flex pipe. So I'm going to go ahead and tear this all down. I've been letting them soak with some PB blaster for a couple of days, so hopefully that stuff's going to come right out of there. What we got is we have a 9/16 nut here, 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 and here, and a 1/2 inch. Looks like probably a bolt going into the carburetor. What I'm hopes to do here is just remove this top half and not disturb the carburetor linkage and so forth. So I'm going to start with the carburetor off the intake here. So. Alright, there it is. Yeah. Alright, before we go any further, what I want to do is just take a piece of paper towel, just kind of put it down in the exhaust portions here so we don't have to drop anything inside there. So just a little piece. Let's do the same thing with the intake. Alright, just going to take a paper towel, put that there as well. Alright, so you can see the problem I have here is this piece is broken right off here. So I'm sure it was pulling in air, which was causing it to run a little rough. And I'm sure I was getting a lot of blow by because every one of these, look at this one right here. I mean, the gasket's completely gone, it's just eating it away. So I think what I may do is take this to a machine shop and see what they can do about possibly welding this back on and getting this piece on back on here, and then we can possibly plane it down. These ones here look like I can clean them up pretty good, but this is not looking so good. So I think what I'll do is before I go any further, I'll look online. Maybe I can buy a whole new assembly, but I'm pretty sure the reason why that it happened is they did not have a piece of flex pipe on the exhaust, and there was a lot of stress on that, so I'm sure that had something to do with this this little breakage right here. Okay, now I'm ready to go ahead and put the new gaskets on. I got these from BW Parts, and I'll put a description down below on where I got those. So, but before I do that, I'm going to take the vacuum one more time. I'm going to go ahead and pull all my tissue out of there, set the new gaskets in, and then go ahead and put the manifold on. Let's go ahead and put the new gaskets in. Let's go ahead and set the manifold back on. And one of the reasons we had done this to begin with, we talked about, the ears were broken. So I took it to a machine shop and they welded them back on for me. Alright, let's go ahead and set this on. Nice and easy. like a glove.
Okay, we're back up and we're running. The machine's been running for about an hour and a half. It's considerably quieter after replacing the gaskets. The engine's still kind of loud where it sits right behind me. But I hope this helps you with your Wisconsin 4-cylinder. And thanks an awful lot for watching.